At Lichtsinn RV, we make the financing process extremely easy for you. From taking a credit app over the phone, in person, or through our secure website, we're actually able to just do that whole process for you in-house. There's no having to go to my personal bank to sign all the loan documents and get a cashier's check and come here. We just make that process extremely easy for you. So you come in to purchase the RV, we'll do a credit application with you. We submit that to our lenders, then get rates back from them, and then we're able to help you secure that best rate. And then we just do a couple extra forms through your paperwork process, and your loan's all taken care of.
What we're going to do is we're going to take that credit application that we just talked about that you took the time to fill out, and we're really going to take a look at that and kind of look and see what we're looking at here, and then we're going to match you with the lender that we feel best suits you. Send that over to the lender and really work for you guys in securing the lowest interest rate we can possibly get to secure financing for you. We're going to work with a lot of national lenders, to secure best rate financing for our guests. Ones we see mostly are going to be Bank of America, Huntington National Bank, Bank of the West, and Bank of the Ozarks.
So at Lichtsinn RV, we offer simple interest, fixed rate loans with no prepayment penalties. So the great thing about that is if you take a 20-year loan and if you choose to pay that off in 15 years, there's no prepayment penalties on that. You're able to do so and in turn save yourself some interest. We look forward to working with you in the very near future. Feel free to give us a call at 1-800-343-6255 or feel free to fill out an online credit application at www.lichtsinn.com.